Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, we will learn about map, filter and reduce. These are the function tools that you can use in your programs sometimes to reduce some lines. First, let's see what is map. Before explaining, let's write some code. Here we created a demo function to return value n power 2. Here we created some values in tuple in the variable a. Now we need to display the method values. Print. Here we need to use list to save the values. Let's type map. The map function gets two arguments. One is the function name and another one is variable or some values. Demo a. Instead of the variable a, you can also give the values that within the tuple. Here what happens means when you run the file, the values in a variable will be fetched by the demo method and assign the values instead of n and returns each value in the list format. Let's run it. Here you can see it fetched each value from the variable a and used in the place n. For first one, 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. This is the map. Let's see what is filter. Instead of return, we can use if statement. Now we need to check if the values that we are given are odd or even. The same variable name n mod 2 equals 0. Return n. Instead of map, we need to use filter. Here, if the values are true, the values will be stored in the list and displayed. If it's not, it will be ignored. Let's run it now. Only these values are even and others are odd. The filter method is used to filter the values that only true. If it's false, it will not be saved. We have seen about map and filter. Let's see what is reduce. For this, we need to import function tools. From function tools, here you need to type func tools. Import reduce. For reduce, we need to give two values. One is not enough for it. Let's give n, m. Let's remove the if statement. Let's return n plus m. Instead of filter, let's use reduce. Let's run it now. Here we need to use square brackets to denote it as list. Let's remove list from here. Okay, let's run it again. Here gives the value 21. Let's add another line here. Print n equals the value n and m equals the value m. Let's print it again. Here you can see each value in the list are fetched by the demo method. The first value of 1 is assigned to variable and the second value 2 is assigned to variable m, and both the values are added and it becomes 3, and the value is assigned to the variable n, and the next value 3 in the list is assigned to variable m, and the value of n and m are added and the value of 6 is assigned to n, and the next value of 4 in list is assigned to m, and value of n and m are added and becomes 10. This will happen until the last value is taken. Here you can see n becomes 15 and the last value in the list is 6. The value of 6 is assigned to the variable m. Here the value of n and m is added and it becomes 21. Until every value in the list is calculated, after the final value will be displayed. Instead of using demo, we can also use lambda here. Lambda I, j I plus j. Comment it down. Let's run it again. Here it gives the same value 21. So that's it guys. This is the main thing from map, filter and reduce. If you have any doubt about it, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.